हे एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल वेज फूड प्रेमी। मेरे चैनल में आप सभी का स्वागत है। मेरा नाम है अनीशा और सुबह हो चुकी है एंड इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल मॉर्निंग। हमारे घर के रिचुअल्स भी स्टार्ट हो चुके हैं। एज यू कैन सी माय मदर इज प्रेइंग एंड माय ब्रदर इज ट्राइंग इट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम एंड आई विल शो यू हिज एक्सप्रेशंस। ही डजंट नो एनीथिंग। As you can see, he doesn't know anything, so my mother starts chanting Gayatri Mantra. So now he is getting ready for work and my household chores are all going on. And here she's my sister and she's giving tea to my father, and Muffy is here on the terrace with me. As you can see, it's a very today is a very nice weather. It's all windy and green, and me and Muffy are having a walk on the terrace. You can see how windy it is and it's beautiful. The weather is beautiful and the scenery is also very beautiful from here on the terrace. मफ़ी, क्या हो गया? ओह, हवा चल रहा है मफ़ी, बहुत अच्छा हवा चल रहा है। देखो इधर देखो, बहुत अच्छा हवा चल रहा है। चलो चलो देखते हैं। इधर क्या जल्दी आओ जल्दी आओ जल्दी आओ जल्दी आओ, आ जाओ आ जाओ। Now he wants me to lift him up and show him what's there. And you can see the location here. So recently there have been a lot of development here in my location where I live. So comment and tell me that how do you like the location. And as you can see, the clouds are coming in and yeah, I'm enjoying the weather today. In the balcony, he is my nephew. His name is Viraj, and he's playing with mud, and he's enjoying it really. And I'm stopping him from playing from mud. So now he's all bored and he's going inside. Now it's time for the breakfast. So my sister is making breakfast for today. She's making poha, and her poha is really very delicious. She has realized that she has put in a lot of vegetable oil, so she is taking the extra out. And you would have seen that mostly pohas are made by adding peanuts and lentils, but my sister cooks it really differently, and that's why I like it, and that is the reason why I'm shooting this video. So today I'll show you typical North Indian, or you can say Bihari style poha. She is segregating all the curry leaves that I plucked from the terrace. So now as you can see that she has already added the vegetable oil in the kadhai, and now she'll wash it off with the curry leaves. Now she'll add some mustard seeds into the oil and it will start popping up. Now after a few seconds she will add the curry leaves. She said the reason why her poha is so nice because she puts in a lot of chopped onions and ginger and garlic, and the quantity of onions is more. So she asked me to chop all the onions. And here she is making tea. She really makes a very nice tea. So I'm recording tea also, and it is a very nice combination, poha with tea. What she does is she takes water and she grinds some ginger and cardamom, and she puts that into the water. She puts some tea leaves into the water and let it boil. So once the water starts boiling, then she adds milk into it. So when she adds milk, the aroma of the tea starts spreading into the entire house. So it is really nice, and her tea is really amazing. Now she is washing off all the green peas and the carrots, and she is frying the onions and green chilies. Now she is adding all the peas and the carrots into the mixture. I've also chopped up some potatoes and cauliflower. Generally in poha nobody adds cauliflower and potato, but she adds it, and it really tastes nice. And that is one of the reasons why her poha is so delicious. She has mixed all the potatoes and cauliflower into it, and she is now frying it off. So one more thing that I would like to tell you is that she doesn't add any of the spices except for salt, and yes, so she only uses salt into the mixture, and she doesn't add any of the spices. So it is really nice. It is really light breakfast, as you can see, because these are all green veggies that is gonna help you, and no additional spice, and that enhances the taste. Sometimes it's better not to eat too much of spice and keep your diet a bit light. Now she has added the salt, and I would suggest you that quantity of salt should be as per your taste buds, as per your taste. Now she has covered it with a lid to cook it nicely, and remember that you have to keep the flame on medium so that the veggies don't get burnt. Now she is adding some extra oil. You can skip this part because she had taken out some extra oil, and now she thinks that she would be needing some extra oil. So that is the reason why she's adding it. Here our tea is also almost ready. You can see it has started boiling. And now it's time to give tea to my parents. Here the tea is ready, as you can see. And now back to the poha. So you can see here everything is messed up, and now she is putting poha into the fried vegetables. The vegetables are fried and no need to put any spice. And she has washed the poha, and now she is putting that poha into the mixture. So she is making it for like 5 people. So that is the reason why the quantity is so high, so big. So now she is mixing it up with the veggies, and you need to make sure that the flame should be on medium, and mix it nicely with all the veggies until it turns a bit crispy. try making poha like this, and I'm sure you'll enjoy the taste. And here our poha is ready. You can see the final product, and let me know in the comments if you think it's nice and it's beautiful, as I can feel it, and I can uh, I have tasted it. It is really delicious. So this is it for today, and this is my breakfast of the day. As you can see, I'm having poha with a cup of tea made by my sister. Hey everyone, thank you for watching my video, and if you like it, then do like, comment, share and subscribe. And also do remember that liking, sharing, commenting and subscribing my channel is the only way that I can go forward on this journey. Also, as you know that my channel is a food and travel channel, so suggest me ideas as to what videos do you want to watch next, and what video should I make. So I hope you all are doing well, and have a great day all of you.